Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Notion Workspace. If you manage a team space in Notion, keeping your member list up to date is essential for security, organization, and accurate billing. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary permissions in most workspaces. Only admins can remove members. If you are not seeing the options I am about to show, you may need to ask an admin to handle this for you. Start by opening Notion and looking to the left sidebar there. Click on Settings and Members. This opens your workspace settings where you can manage roles, security options, and who has access to your content. From the Settings window, choose the Members section in the sidebar. This is your central view of everyone who belongs to the workspace along with their current roles. Next, locate the person you want to remove. In larger workspaces, it helps to use the search bar at the top of the members list or scan for their name and email carefully to avoid removing the wrong person. You'll also see each person's role displayed, such as member or admin, which is important context as you manage access. Once you've found the right person, click the button that shows their current role. This isn't just a label, it opens a drop-down menu with management actions. From the drop-down, select Remove from Workspace. That's the key action that revokes their access. After removal, the person will no longer be able to open pages or databases in your workspace. Content they created typically remains in place for the team, preserving your records and project history. But their account loses permission to view or edit anything in your space. A couple of quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Double-check you've selected the correct person, especially if multiple teammates have similar names. If you are cleaning up a large list, it can be helpful to review roles first, so you understand who has broader privileges. If your organization has policies around offboarding or documentation, consider noting the change in your internal records. And if you later need this person back, you can always invite them again from the same members area. That's all there is to it. Open Settings and Members in the left sidebar, go to Members. Find the person, click their role, and choose Remove from Workspace. Simple, secure, and effective. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, consider sharing it with your team so everyone manages access the right way. See you in the next one.